5 Best Programming Software for Writing Code. 5. IntelliJ IDEA, written in Java. IntelliJ IDEA integrates hundreds of features and tweaks that make programming easier. Smart code completion for a large variety of languages, support for the microservices framework, and built-in developer tools such as version control and terminal make this tool special. Ranging from front-end JavaScript applications to back-end Java, IntelliJ IDEA has proved itself to be one of the most versatile IDEs out there. Pros: great dark theme, auto-suggestions/completion, plenty of configuration options, good code analyzer for evaluating code execution and error detection, seamless connectivity with third-party tools, such as Git. Cons: indexing process can sometimes take a long time, uses a significant amount of system resources. It is perfect for developers who have had experience with other JetBrains tools. For newbies, the user interface could be confusing as there are too many options and complex features. 4. Xcode. Xcode contains a suite of software development tools that includes most of Apple's developer documentation and built-in interface builder. It is used for developing software for iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Xcode and Swift, a multi-paradigm language developed by Apple Inc., together make programming a delightfully live experience. The best thing about Xcode is you can just drag-drop the element, and your design is good to go. Pros: alerts you when you make a coding mistake. Version editor displays a running timeline of commits, easily search and find anything within the documentation. Server-side bots continuously build, analyze, test, and archive your projects. Cons: consumes a lot of system resources, especially when multiple projects are open, can't handle anything non-native. Apple developed Swift, the interface builder displays the live rendering of your code, instantly reflecting changes you made in code. Plugins are not that important for this tool, just keep the IDE updated for a seamless experience. 3. Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is a very powerful tool for creating websites, web services, and mobile applications. It is mostly used by small and mid-sized businesses to develop computer programs. The code editor comes with IntelliSense, context-aware code completion feature, code refactoring, and an integrated debugger, which works as both a machine-level debugger and a source-level debugger. Pros: more than 20,000 extensions available, full-stack web development. Integration with Azure DevOps is excellent, a strong community of users. The tool is updated regularly. Cons: high system configuration required for smooth operation, more expensive than other developing case tools. The online community support for this tool is outstanding, and Microsoft continuously keeps the product up to date. Read 15 best note-taking apps to boost your productivity. 2. Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a sophisticated text editor for prose, code, and markup. It has a minimap on the side that provides a hierarchical view of files and keyboard shortcuts for most actions. It's a lightweight software written in C/C++ and Python. It can do a lot more heavy lifting without running into issues. There is a decent command palette that allows for an in-depth utilization of the editor. Pros: provides numerous preferences which suit all users' needs. Text highlights are great for debugging. Accurate syntax suggestions, shortcuts and macros improve efficiency. Cons: doesn't autosave documents, often prompts to purchase a new version. Sublime Text allows users to customize every aspect of the tool and write code with speed and efficiency. It also makes it easier to link code to other pages of code. Overall, it does a great job of what it is meant to be. 1. Notepad++. Notepad++ is more than an editor. It's a notepad replacement that supports many different programming languages. It is written in C++ and uses Win32 and STL, which ensures smaller program size and higher execution speed. It's an excellent sidekick for coding projects. You can work on several documents at the same time, thanks to its multi-tab editing feature. The editor makes it easy to inspect files at all stages on embedded software projects, from HEX to C++ source. Pros: easy file read and write access, supports more than 60 programming/scripting languages, saves the file automatically, search and replace multiple files in one go. Cons: sometimes hangs when dealing with large amounts of data. In summary, Notepad++ is simply Microsoft Notepad, but on steroid. It does everything better and provides additional features to fulfill all your requirements.